Okay, guys. So now as you can see, my Laravel website is not working. I have successfully migrated my all files. So this is a cyber panel. So you have to change few things like where you are going to access your website. You know very well that in the Laravel you always access the public folder. So you have to use the public folder. So go to the v host. As you can see, your document root is now public HTML, which is not sufficient for the Laravel. So you have to use the public folder. That means you are saying you are serving all the requests in this folder. When you change this one, just click on the save button. As you can see, it's changing. Once you changed it, so now go to the website, refresh the page. You know very well. Sorry. Okay, so this is the website. It's working fine. Go to the about us sections, working fine. Home section also working fine. Click on JS, also working fine. All the courses now showing. Go to the course. Oh, okay. So this is the blog sections, and here is the specific blog. And now go to the courses. It's now working fine. So thumbs up.